I'm just trying it out. दिख रहा क्या वो?
Yes, ma'am.
What
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it? Read the whole thing.
Quantity factor.
Okay.
Amount by which volume increases.
Then
Amount by which volume increases. Price
Amount by which volume increases, price remain the same.
right.
Ma'am, but one issue, ma'am.
बोलो.
Now Vandita is talking, ma'am. Her mic is on, so her skin is visible.
Oh. अच्छा, if the mic is on, automatically video will become on for everyone, huh? या तुम लोग भी वीडियो ऑन करे तो ही वीडियो आता.
I don't know, ma'am.
Now, see, I'm not able to see any one of you.
Yes, in settings we can change.
Now also it's clear only, na?
Now it's yes, ma'am, clear.
Clear, ठीक. Because मतलब पूरा बोर्ड दिखना करके थोड़ा नीचे.
Ma'am, I'm online through laptop, ma'am. But the person or from mobile, I don't know about them.
अच्छा. Hey, what about the us who are there in the mobile?
And the thing is, the person who will be speaking, his or her video, his or her will be visible. Like you're speaking, you can see the board and what you're writing. When Bhushan is speaking to you, we can see his letter on the screen like that. When two persons are speaking, it keeps changing.
अच्छा, only the letter is seen. That's it, na?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ठीक
But
है.
if
Okay.
if anybody else is speaking with you, so the video, the board, what you're showing us and explaining, we cannot see that.
अच्छा, so if you all don't talk, the video will be seen.
Yes, ma'am, it keeps changing.
The video, ma'am.
Huh?
We can pin the video.
अच्छा, you can pin the video. It seems you all can pin the video. वो try करो तुम लोग.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
If you pin the video and anyone talk in the middle, nothing will happen to the video, ma'am.
Okay. Try then.
I pinned the video, ma'am.
Are you able to see now anything else besides board?
No, ma'am.
Good. लास्ट तक दिख रहा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, till remaining same we can see.
Till remaining same. अच्छा, मैं थोड़ा नीचे करूँ तो?
Now above part gone.
हाँ, that will be going. पर बाद में मैं जब एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ तब थोड़ा नीचे करूँ तो ये दिखेगा ना, ये पूरा?
Ah, yes.
हाँ, ठीक. Okay, all those in the phone are also able to see. जब नहीं दिख रहा एक बार मेरे को बता.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
यहाँ तक तो दिख रहा सब लोग ज्वाइन हो गए नहीं हुए.
19 members joined.
अच्छा, excluding me 19 ना.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ ठीक है. ओके. अब ऊपर वाला भी दिख रहा. From here it should be visible. My finger, is it seen?
No, ma'am. From
Yeah.
quantity
No,
factor we
ma'am.
can see.
Okay. Is this seen?
Now we can see. Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear for everyone?
I can't see anything.
You can't see. Who is that who can't see?
I'm out too.
Aima can't see. Aima, it's not at all visible, huh?
No, ma'am.
Acha, today you can talk, you can't see.
It's coming, ma'am.
Now it's seen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the others? Everyone can see.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If there is anyone who can't see, please message me. Yeah? Okay. So I'm just starting then. Right. Now, what exactly is this what we are going to learn? See, till now, what we have learned is quantity is given to you, selling price is given to you, cost price is given to you, you're finding out gross profit. Now, it's the other way around. It means what? Check the problem here. The percentage changes have to be calculated. It means what? He gave you sales. He gave sales 2001, 14 lakhs, 2002, 17 lakhs, 71,000. Cost of goods sold 2001, 10 lakh 50,000. 2002, 12 lakh 67,875. So the gross profit I've deducted, I calculated gross profit 3 lakh 50 and 5 lakh 3,125. Okay, what exactly are we trying to do? We are trying to understand sales have increased by some 3,71,000. Profit has increased something like 2,17,875, something like that. There is a change. Now we are trying to find out here in this change, what is the change due to quantity? What is the change due to price? Two factors. Second, what is the percentage change in the quantity and percentage change in the price? Okay. Till here is that clear? What is that we are trying to find out? We are trying to find out what is change in quantity factor, that's quantity, change in price, both in sales, in cost of goods sold, thereby on the profits. And then we are trying to find out what is the change due to percentage change in the quantity, percentage change in the selling price. It means what practically happens. Let us imagine I'm talking about, in a particular year, I have increased my sales from 14 lakhs to 17 lakhs 71,000. 3 lakhs 71,000 increase in the sales not necessary is only due to quantity, not necessary only is due to price. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we are trying to find out, what is the change due to quantity, due to price, due to both in terms of percentages? Last problems, what did we do? We have done in terms of numbers. He used to give us numbers, directly numbers were calculated. Now what I'm doing is, I'm finding out what is the change in this 3,71,000. How much is the change due to volume? How much is the change due to price, on sales, on cost of goods sold, thereby on the gross profit. Okay, so I am not trying to calculate only numbers, but I'm also trying to calculate the percentage on it and then separate in the 3,71,000. I should be able to tell how much is due to quantity, how much is due to price, what is due to both, how much is the percentage change, everything. Looking at this particular small information, I should be telling each and everything. But one aspect should be given to us. What is that? Either he should tell you in the problem how much is the change in the quantity, or he should tell you in the problem how much is the change in the price. If quantity percentage is given, you can find out percentage in price. If price percentage is given, you can find out percentage in quantity. And you can find out the overall impact on sales, cost of goods sold, gross profit. Are you understanding? Till here, did you
Yes, ma'am.
understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what about the others?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Aimavati, are you able to listen today? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now, how do I do that? First, I'm giving you this whole format. Then we will be doing on this problem, this format which is there. So what is that I should find out? I should calculate quantity factor. What is quantity factor? Quantity factor means amount by which volume increased, price remaining the same. So first I find out how much is the change due to quantity, and I will not look into price changes. So quantity factor means amount by which volume increased, price remaining the same. How do I do that? Percentage change in the quantity. Percentage change in the quantity into the base year sales. Into the base year sales. Okay, so he will give you in the problem any one information. The other one we would be finding out on our own. So here, let us imagine he says there is an increase in the quantity by 10%. So that 10% change in the quantity multiplied with base year sales. Okay, second, quantity factor, amount by which increase in the volume would affect cost of goods sold. Now, when quantity changes, automatically sales is changing, cost of goods sold is also changing. So, same thing how I do on sales, I will do on quantity now, right? So, on the cost now. So, how would I do that? I would say amount by which percentage of volume increase would affect cost of goods sold. Cost price factor remaining the same. Here, what did we say? Selling price factor remaining the same. Here, cost price factor remaining the same. So, first I'm finding out what is the change due to quantity, not price. This is with regards to sales. Second, I will find out what is the change due to quantity, not the cost price. So, this is on the cost of goods sold. So, these two will give me changes in my sales and changes in my cost of goods sold due to quantity. Next, now I will do the same way on price factor. Price factor means what? I am trying to do it only on prices, and I am trying to find out only price change, and I'm putting quantity factor constant. So price factor means amount by which changes in unit price would affect sales. So now I am finding out, keeping quantity factor constant, what is the extra change which is there in the sales due to price. So say for example, 100 rupees is the change in your sales. Imagine in the 100 rupees, I say quantity change is, imagine, 30. So out of the total changes, is it visible? I got some sound. I thought something stopped.
Ma'am, it's visible.
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Okay. Out of the 100 rupees, imagine I'm saying the change which is there due to quantity is 30. Then we will find out with a particular equation. If quantity is 30, how much is due to price? Now I will not take quantity into consideration. So what is the formula? Percentage change in the price into the base year. Here it is for sales. Base year sales. Same thing I will do again on cost of goods sold. Price factor, amount by which change in unit cost price would affect the cost price factor, that is the cost of goods sold. Quantity factor remaining the same. Same thing I'll have to do with cost of goods sold also. Percentage change in price into base year of cost of goods sold. Okay. So first I find out quantity factor changes only due to quantity on sales. Second, quantity factor change only due to quantity change on the cost. Now I'll go to price factor. Change due to prices, quantity factor remaining same on sales. Fourth point, price factor changes, right? This is on the cost price. So percentage change in price on the cost of goods sold. So 1, quantity factor on sales. 2, quantity factor on cost. 3, price factor on sales. 4, price factor on cost. Now, last two will be what? Quantity, price factor, both now. So first I will find out how much is the impact on sales, quantity and price factor. So percentage of quantity, percentage of price into the base year. Same thing I will do here for cost of goods sold. Quantity and price factor, the amount which is changing, the cost of goods sold now. Okay. So I'm getting totally 6 changes in my gross profit. Change number 1. Change number 1 will be what will be the first change?
Percentage into base year's sales.
Quantity factor change.
Quantity factor. What is quantity factor? Percentage of change in quantity
Quantity into base year sales.
base year sales. Quantity factor on sales. Second is what? Quantity factor on
Cost of goods sold.
cost of goods sold. Third is what? Price factor on
Sales.
sales. Fourth is what? Price factor on
Cost of goods
Cost of
sold.
goods.
cost of goods sold. Fifth is what? Quantity and price factor on
Sales.
sales. Sixth is quantity and price factor on cost of
Cost of
goods
goods
sold.
sold.
This is an elaborated analysis of changes in profits and changes in sales. Did you understand that?
Yes.
Yeah. So first what you do is, without writing the problem, don't read the problem. Is it visible from here?
No, first one is not visible.
No, I don't want this problem. I want from here. From quantity factor I want. Is it visible from quantity factor? You tell me. That's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Huh.
Yes, ma'am.
So write analysis of changes in gross profit. In gross profit. Okay, so you're doing that in percentage formats. So first what you'll do is you'll take down the statement. Then we will start the problem.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
the second one, same bracket percentage change into base year, percentage change of quantity, ma'am.
Percentage change in quantity. If it's over, do tell me. Otherwise, I can't see.
Ma'am, can you please lower the camera? We can't see.
Again, Aman.
Can you please lower the camera? I can't see food.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
yeah.
I cannot see the sixth point, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am. Now it's visible, ma'am.
okay.
Ma'am, for the sixth one, the formula will be percentage change in quantity into percentage change in price into cost, basic of cost of goods sold, ma'am.
Exactly.
Done, ma'am.
Done. सबका हो गया.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the others in the group?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I'll start with the problem. One or two, keep a calculator besides you all. Do you all have the calculator?
Yes, ma'am.
Not the cell phone. Don't use the cell phone. Keep the calculator. Because cell phone means again this has to change, that has to change, everything has to change.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in this problem, what he's given is that volume increases by 15%. Calculate all the other things. Calculate percentage changes which are there. Okay, the percentage changes in this is the illustration problem. The number I'm not able to see. Page number is 443 in your books. So he's given volume increases 15%. Calculate the percentage change in price, percentage change in selling price, cost price, and gross profit. This is what he's basically asking. Okay. Now,
Yes.
understand a small logic. Things will be easy for us. First, what is there? Sales. 2002 is how much? 17 lakhs 71,000. 2001 how much?
14 lakhs.
14 lakhs. What is the difference? 3 lakhs 71,000. Till here it's clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now he said there is an increase in the volume by 15%. It means what? If 2001 is 100%, in 2002, the quantity increased by 15%.
Yes, ma'am.
This is the quantity factor. Are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now what does that mean? In 2002, how much do we have? 17 lakh 71,000. So here understand. If this is 17 lakh 71,000, you are trying to find out how much was the sales in 2001. Okay.
1 lakh 54,000. 15 lakhs 40,000.
15 lakhs 40,000. Again, understand, in 2001, if the sales is 100, in 2002, the sales volume, this is the volume factor, remember. I'm not talking about the price change. I'm talking about the quantity change now. The quantity would have changed to 115%. If in 2002, you say 17 lakh 71,000 is your sales. It means in 2001, how much is 100? 100 is 15 lakh 40,000. Okay, right? It means what? Your sales change due to quantity 15 lakh 40. But the point is, how much is the actual sales in 2001? 14 lakhs only? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So what's happening? The remaining 1 lakh 40 is the price change.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again understand. Understand. Sales in 2002. See, there is 3,71,000 total increase in sales. Okay. Out of 3,71,000, we don't know how much is the quantity, how much is the price factor change. What we know is quantity factor change. Okay. So first I'm finding out if the quantity has increased by 15%, 17 lakh 71,000. How much it should have been in 2001? It should have been 15 lakh 40. So sales should have been 15 lakh 40. But how much is the actual sales in 2001? 14 lakhs only. It means what is the change in the price? 1,40,000. Did you get till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Someone said something. Any doubt? No, na?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, what will I find out? What is the percentage change in the price? What was your 2001 sale? 14 lakhs. Okay. Yeah, very good. Gulshan. What is the increase due to price? 1,40,000. Therefore, percentage increase is 1,40,000 divided by 14 lakhs into 100, 10%. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
इसका मतलब in the sales, the change of volume quantity factor is 15% and the change in price factor is 10%. यहाँ तक सबको समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Quickly take it down till here. I have a small board, na? थोड़ा जल्दी, otherwise Vijayalakshmi ma'am will come.
Ma'am. Ma'am,
Done?
cannot see the below part, the last part. Yes, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
And what is the last line? Price change?
In sales 10%.
Thank you.
यहाँ तक हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
सबका हो गया?
Done it. Now for COGS we have to do, man.
Again?
For cost of goods sold we have to do, man, next.
Exactly. Same thing we'll have to do for cost of goods.
Okay.
Shall I start cost of goods sold now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, cost of goods sold in 2002 is how much? 12,67,875. What is it in 2001? 10,50,000. What is the total increase in the cost of goods sold? Gulshan,
2,17,875.
3,17,875.
2,17,875. Same impact here also in the quantity factor. 2001 if it is 100, in 2002 it should be 115. This 115 here, how much it is now? Right, that's giving you 12,67,875. So you have to find out how much is 100.
11 lakh 2,500.
11 lakhs 2,500.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So change in the quantity in cost of goods sold due to quantity should come to 11 lakh 2,500. But actual cost of goods sold in 2001, 10 lakh 50,000. It means what is the change in price?
52,500.
52,500. Now find out how much is the change due to price. This is a price change. What is the percentage now? What is the cost of goods sold in 2001?
20%.
10 lakh 50,000. Yeah. If it's wet, it's not. 10 lakh 50,000. What is the increase in the price? 52,500. Increase percentage you have to find out. How will you find out? 52,500 divided by 10 lakh 50,000 into 100. How much are we getting percentage?
5%.
5%. That's 5%. थोड़ा सुन लिया तुम्हारे. Did you understand now?
Yes, ma'am.
जल्दी लिखो इसको भी. Emaruna has come.
Yes, ma'am.
అరుణ అర్థమవుతుందా నీకు?
Yes, ma'am.
Good girl.
Ma'am, when we calculate percentage in price, no, ma'am,
Hmm.
2001 is
10
10
lakh
lakhs
50 is the
50,000.
cost.
Yes,
Increase
ma'am.
due to price is 52,500. Therefore, find out the percentage increase in price. 52,500 divided by 10 lakh 50 into 100. 5% is the change due to price.
Okay.
Done?
Done.
हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
Vivek
ma'am.
also. I'm starting now. Now we will do that statement which I have given you. I'm rubbing the whole thing.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ से दिखेगा.
No.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
ये दिख रहा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am, it's not visible.
No, ma'am.
Not
Didn't see.
visible.
No, ma'am.
Now
Yes, ma'am.
now
Yes, ma'am.
okay. First point. Quantity factor. Price remaining constant. This is quantity factor on sales. Price remaining constant. What did I say? Percentage into base year sales. Percentage is how much? 15%. On what? Base year sales. Base year sales is how much? 14 lakhs. So 15% on 14 lakhs. How much? How much? How much is it?
2,10,000.
10,000.
Okay. Everyone are able to see, na?
Yes, ma'am.
2,10,000. I am putting sales ka difference in sales column. When it comes to cost, I should put in cost column. Both together, I should put in gross profit column. So in gross profit column, again I will write 21 lakhs.
It's 2,10,000 number 21 lakhs.
Yeah, I know. वो लिखा मैंने थोड़ा बैटरी डाउन हुआ करके. I'll write that later. Second, quantity factor. Now on what should I do?
Cost of goods sold.
On cost of goods sold. 15% on cost of goods sold, 10,50,000. How much did we get?
1,57,500.
1,57,500. Are you all understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Third, price factor
On sales.
on sales. Quantity constant. On sales, we had 10% increase on 14 lakhs. How much?
1,46,000.
Yeah. Fourth, price factor on cost of goods sold. How much percentage? 5% on 10,50,000. 52,500. Cost is always reduction in your gross profit. So I'm putting that in brackets. Is that clear? Fifth, quantity and price factor. 15% into 10% into 14 lakhs. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो ये कितना हुआ बताओ.
How much, ma'am?
हाँ
21,000.
how much?
Ma'am, we are not able to see 51.
अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा.
15.
21,000. 51.
21,000. Now quantity and price factor on cost of goods sold.
15,000.
15,750.
How, Ray? 15%? 5% now, not 10%.
7,875.
7,875 total. Total percentage change, total change in sales. 2 lakh 10 plus 1 lakh 40 plus 21. 3 lakh 71. 1 lakh 57,500 plus 52,500 plus 7,875. 2 lakhs 17,875. And gross profit 1 lakh 53,125. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
लिख लो पूरा दिख रहा है ना ऊपर से
Ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am is waiting, ma'am.
हाँ ये एक लिख लो $10.59 को आना 1 मिनट में चले जाए
Ma'am, 61 answer. What is it, ma'am?
I didn't get you
Answer quantity price due to cost of goods sold.
again
Quantity price answer, ma'am.
quantity price factor means what you know you will put quantity factor price factor on base year sales
Yes.
same thing you'll do on cost of goods sold quantity factor quantity price factor and cost of goods sold quantity factor price factor on cost of goods sold
Done.
done
Yes.
this is the total change
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
shall we end the class
Okay, ma'am.
what about
Yes, ma'am.
everyone did everyone write it those who have done can end the meeting and join with Vijay Lakshmi ma'am and you can tell her that others are coming.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Welcome.
ma'am.
Welcome. Others write the complete problem and then leave.
Thank you, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Done. Welcome, Nana. అరుణ కనిపిస్తుందా? అరుణ కనిపించిందా? రాస్తున్నావా? Vijayshri, shall I stop it?